The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click into the Admin tab. Open the Configuration Settings drop-down menu. Select the Configuration Settings option from the drop-down menu. Click into the Name field and search for New Part Number Suggestion, Enable. You may also notice a configuration setting called New Part Number Suggestion, Scheme to Use. You can ignore this field for now, it will auto-populate once we have finished setting up Smart Part Suggestions. Find the new part number suggestion. Type 1 into the Value field. Click Set to confirm your changes. Return to the Configuration Settings drop-down menu. Select the option Formats, Serials, etc. from the drop-down menu. Scroll down the page until you reach the third section, Part Format. Here you can see a list of acceptable keywords to use. Click into the Part Format field and input your desired keywords. Click Update to save your changes. This will also create data in the configuration setting New Part Number Suggestion, Scheme to Use Value field that we saw earlier. Now let's see how our new part numbering scheme looks in action. Move to the Sales tab. Click the Quotes drop-down menu. Click New Quote to begin creating a new quote. Click Edit Quote Header. Add your customer's name. Click OK to save your changes. Click into the Part field. Instead of typing a part name, hit the downward arrow key on your keyboard. The first option in the drop-down menu will be your suggested part name.